Hello everyone and welcome to the To Explore Wellness channel. Today we are going to be making a healthy and delicious breakfast that only takes a few ingredients and can be thrown together in under 20 minutes from prep to serve. Let's go ahead and jump in so I can show you how to make it. For this recipe, I first made the dressing. I mixed together a tablespoon each of olive oil, honey, then 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Pro tip, measure the olive oil first as it will keep the honey from sticking to the measurement tool. I use this trick all the time when I'm making my dishes. These flavors meld together so well and give a really great balance to the dish. I also added garlic to this dressing and tend to measure garlic with my heart, but it was likely a few cloves or close to a tablespoon. While I'm mixing these up, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any healthy and delicious recipes. Next, we are going to clear our workspace to chop the washed Brussels sprouts. You can chop off the ends and then half or quarter them depending on the size. Brussels sprouts are a great addition to your diet because they are high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, and also contain other important nutrients. Toss the ends of the Brussels sprouts into the trash or your compost bin and set aside your chopped pieces. In order to reduce the fat and calorie content in this meal, I use 4 slices of turkey bacon instead of pork bacon. Cut your bacon into smaller pieces. Next, I sprayed my baking tray before adding on the Brussels sprouts and bacon, followed by the dressing. Make sure to toss well to ensure the dressing is fully incorporated on all of your pieces. I'm curious, do you think you would make this breakfast? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like button. Now it's time to create your egg wells. I used 4 eggs, but you can use more or less depending on your needs or size of your tray. Since your Brussels sprouts and bacon need more time to cook than the eggs, now is the time to place in an oven preheated to 375 for about 10 minutes or until the Brussels sprouts are tender. Then remove and crack your eggs into each well carefully. You might also choose to add some additional egg whites if you would like to increase the volume and protein content, but this dish has 31 grams of protein even without it. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste before placing it back in the oven for about 4 to 6 minutes until the egg whites are set and your yolks have reached your desired doneness. Once your eggs are ready, remove from the oven and sprinkle with shredded Parmesan and red pepper flakes. Use a spatula to carefully serve and enjoy this absolutely delicious breakfast. I really hope you enjoyed making this breakfast with me. Make sure to check the caption for the full recipe as well as calories and macronutrients. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons to ensure you don't miss any easy, healthy, and delicious recipes. See you next time.